Hey, it's Kate with WTI. My morning just does not start until I have a great cup of coffee in my hands, and some whole beans that I have been loving are these Donut Cafe medium roast from Amazon Fresh. We love to grind our own beans and use a pour over, and you learn very quickly that not all coffee beans are created equal, especially if you love a strong flavor. So these have been a go-to, the Amazon Fresh coffee beans, and I really love this Donut Cafe. I think that it provided a really bold flavor, a wonderful scent. You can see from the color of the beans and the coffee grinds. It is a medium roast, so it's not super, super dark, but I personally think for a medium roast, it really delivered on bold flavor. We keep our coffee beans stored in a coffee canister, but I had some left over in the bag. It doesn't quite fit them all, and I find that these stay pretty fresh. We try to use them quickly, but I don't have really a problem with them losing flavor right away or anything like that. So with my whole pour over process, these beans taste incredible in a cup of coffee. I love to drink it black, but even if you add a splash of milk or something into it, it maintains that rich color and bold flavor. So if you love a medium roast that kind of leans a little bit towards the stronger side, I highly recommend checking out these Donut Cafe beans. I'm super happy with them, but that's just my point of view.